हेलो
हाँ बोलो अमी।
સર લાઈવ ચાલુ
હજી તો થઈ ગયું છે, વાત છે.
વાર તો સર આપણે લાઈવ કરીએ ફેસબુક પર એ રીતે સ્ટ્રોમ ના બીજી બધી બી ક્લાસ ચાલતા જશે ને, મતલબ અમદાવાદ કયો મહેસાણા તે તો એ લોકો નહીં કરતા
નહીં કરતા, આપણે જ કરીએ.
એવું એમ અચ્છા
ચલો પછી વાત કરીએ.
આમ તો જોવા થાય એમ.
એ
હા
રિલેટેડ
સર
કોઈ બકા નથી કરતું, મફતમાં કોઈ આપતું નહીં. હું તને પછી વાત કરું એ બાબતે.
હા સર હા.
Okay, very good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay. Today's topic is describe a friend, person. Okay, it is not necessary that the person is your friend. Okay, you can talk about anybody who is a good leader. Now, first of all, here is a complicated. What will be the subject of this topic? A friend, a person, or a good leader, or a leader? Can you just guess which is the subject of this topic? Hello, anybody? Can you guess which is the subject here?
One leader, sir.
Leader.
Yes.
Okay, so leader. Okay, there is a chance that you may start your introduction with a friend or person. That will be related. Okay, that will not be there. But basically, if you start talking about leadership skills, it would be the best. So here you need to talk about leadership in your introduction. 2-3 sentences. Leadership requires good communication skills, good intrapersonal skills, cooperation, coordination. This is all vocabulary, and really a golden heart to really help people. A leader is a person who really leads in all the terms. When a person leads in all the terms means he or she is one step ahead than the others. They are really uh, uh, they want people to help in all the terms. They are true leaders. There are people who only help conditionally. Okay, there are not leaders. Okay, leaders are really the person who are always eager to help people in any circumstances. They want people to be happy, and they are serving also unconditionally. Now, you will, after that you will talk about the people who are around you, okay, and you think they are good leaders. It would be good that if you talk about your some friends or a family member, okay. There are a lot of people who are good leaders surrounding you. They are really doing great jobs. So you may have seen people helping in this COVID-19 situation also. So they are also leaders. Anybody who takes the lead for a cause, anybody who takes an initiative for a cause, okay, is a leader. Then in your school, college, organization where you are working in a company, there are managers, there are people who are in a leading position. So basically, they are giving, you can talk about them who are giving directions, and they are also following directions. Okay, they are helping you out to do difficult tasks. You can talk about those people. Okay, then you can simply start that here I am going to talk about a family member, a friend, or my boss, or basically or my head or supervisor, or class monitor, or a sport coach, or simply a team leader. Or you can talk about your friend. Okay, if you find any of your friend who is a person who like does a lot of voluntary work, then they do all these things. So you can talk about these people. That would be a good introduction. You will get a base. You will get a base, and you will clear the concept in your mind that you need to talk about this topic. So it would help you, and that would help to generate a lot of thoughts related to friend leadership, different tasks, cooperation, coordination, interpersonal skills, helping, all this. Then you can start. Then you need to answer after talking your introduction. For example, I'll say an introduction for you. It should be 3 or 4 lines. Leadership is a skill that a good that proves a person a genuine, or you can say there are many people who are really good leaders surrounding me. They are doing jobs selflessly, and they are leading people in difficult situations. Uh, they have excellent skills of cooperation, coordination, communication, and interpersonal skills. And with these things, they become a very good leader. Here I'm going to talk about a person who is a extremely very good leader. Okay, he is blah blah blah. Okay, here you can talk about your friend, family member. Okay, here I am going to talk about. So, for example, I am making an like fictional story. Okay, here I am going to talk about a person who is my near friend. Okay, very dear friend, or my childhood friend. His name is uh, Joy. Okay, Joy is really a very wonderful person, and we are childhood friends. In every situation, we work together, but he always takes the lead. Okay, this is like giving an answer. Who is the person? The person is Joy. You relate with with yourself that he is your childhood friend, and he takes the lead. So he is a leader. So the task response is really cleared here. Okay, how do you know this person? This question is already answered in the first question, that he is your childhood friend. Okay, I'm going to talk about Joy, who is like my childhood friends. We have spent a lot of time together since our childhood to finishing our academics. We have been together in all good and bad situations. So we know each other very well, and it is a very long friendship. Today, he is an engineer. Uh, what he does, okay? So what you need to talk about the profile. He is an engineer and he is doing great in his field. He has earned his name with his hard work and leadership skills. In every time he uses his skills for social cause also. In many difficult situations, I have seen Joy taking the lead and helping people and doing voluntary work for social causes. He has good IT skills, so he also like generates funds for the needy people. He arranges, he coordinates with different organizations. Okay, what he does, you can talk two, three different kind of a skills. Like he's an IT person and an engineer, so he generates funds and contacts many NGOs and together people, and he really does very good social causes. He helps people in different situations. Okay, how this person behaves. The behavior of Joy is excellent. He is a very open personality. He communicates very politely, and he used to help people in every possible difficult situation. People surrounding him, they loved him because of his genuine nature. So basically, I can say that he has really extremely good communication skills. Okay. Why do you think he is good? Now, when you have finished all talking, you need to explain why you think. Now, your opinion matters. Okay, the task response is incomplete until you say that what do you think. Okay, you have already the answers you have answered. Okay, who, how, and what is already your opinion only, but it is information related to questions. Now you need to give how do you feel about Joy. So you can say simply he is in my opinion, Joy has a golden heart. Okay, and he is a very good leader because he has proved his mettle in really difficult situations, and many people appreciate his work. There are newspaper articles published on his name. There are really people who vouch for him, and I believe that today I have also started uh, volunteering and becoming a leader just because of inspirations that I got from him. So you can say all these things, and you can. This kind of topics are really surrounding you only, so you don't need to think a lot about, and you can make a good speaking. And this is a very good discussion. Anybody, I believe so, giving a speaking on topics like this must be confident. They can really talk a lot here because these kind of people are there surrounding us, and it can make difference. You can really talk a lot about this topic. Let's see the counter questions. Okay, so the counter questions here are: who is the head of the family in your culture? In this topic, you will need to talk about all leadership kind of skills. So head is the person is always this head kind of people are leaders. Okay. So now who is the head of the family in your culture? In our culture, if we define in families, there can be women leaders, but in cultures, basically in the culture that we live, that is a male dominated culture. there are extremely very good examples of women doing good. Okay, but if you want to answer this question to the core, okay, who is the head of the family in your culture? In our culture, fathers are the head of the family, and they are really doing great. They sacrifice a lot for the family members, and and they really become a good examples, and they are the people who lead the family. Okay, so basically, who here the answer is one person. Okay, it is like the fathers or the mothers. Okay, in our family, who can be a head, can be a father or mother. If you want to say mother, then also it is not wrong. You can say the head of the family can be a mother. Okay, but if we talk in general, we what do we see? We see and observe that fathers are the head of the family. So, are men better at decision making in a family? This is a question mark again. I don't think so. Men, and there is a difference, or there is a gender kind of discrimination between making decisions. Even like women can make very good decisions, and women are making good decisions. But we can say males can make hard decisions in a very quick time. Sometimes the very hard decisions are taken by males, but I don't believe that only men can make better decisions, because females have really also done good in are doing good in running a family. So you can talk all this. Do you think that in future there will be more women leaders? Definitely yes. Extremely, this question is going to be yes, because today women are doing good. They are doing good in so many fields, like from the politics, science, environment, IT. In each and every working sector today, we see women are walking shoulder to shoulder with the men. In this cutthroat competition, they have really proved women can be very good leaders. Today, we see many examples: women going in the space, women leading the biggest political parties, women leading banks. They are CEOs. They are doing all the things that men can do. So definitely, I can say that in future there will be more women leaders. You can also say that today women are coming out of houses. They are stepping out from household work. They are taking active participation in all work fronts, from administration, politics, soldier, and every all these things. All this we see women. Also, we can say that women, we will see more women in the women leaders in the future. So you can say that. Then, should a leader discuss with team members when making decisions? Extremely yes. It is very important. It is important for any leader to discuss with his team, because a leader term itself is, a leader means there is a team behind the person. Okay, there is a team working behind. A leader is not a single person. An individual cannot come and say that I am a leader. You need at least 2 or 3 people behind you, with you, together with you. Then you become a leader. And it is a primary job of a leader to really discuss with his or her colleagues, because after all they are all together, they are working together. A leader becomes successful only when there is a excellent team behind him or with him. So he or she should discuss whatever decisions they are making together. Even he or she should even consider opinions that are given to him by the team. That makes a leader more powerful and more stable, and it improves leadership qualities. A leader is a face of a group. Okay, he is a face of a group, organization, country. So definitely yes, he should discuss with the people his or her decision. This makes him or her a very good leader. So this topic I will hear you from you tomorrow. I hope so. You all understand. You all understood everything properly about leadership. Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood. So, are you ready with the topic of today? Describe a place you visited that has been affected by pollution. Who is starting today? Tell me.
सर मैं करूँ कि नहीं?
Definitely yes.
Okay, sir. Pollution is one of the global issue in this era, and mostly we can see polluted places in metro cities or industrial areas, even in small towns which are very populated. I would like to talk about one area in Maharashtra. The place is called Amboli Ghat. Few years ago when I went there, it was a really very pleasant area. That area was very clean. It has a river, mountains, and very beautiful nature. And at that time, it was not so popular. But after few years, people started to migrate over there. They rented house over there. They started resorts and hotels over there. So they used to wash their bushes, use that water for cooking purpose. The tourists who visited over there, they also played in water. They also used to party over there, and they throw their trash. Sorry, they throw their rubbish there in that particular river because of that water pollution is caused in the particular area. After few years, I went there almost 8 months back. That time the area was totally sealed. If we try to enter particular river area, the police charges. I raised eyebrows to see that natural place like this also can be polluted.
Okay. So what do you think are the major reasons for pollution according to your opinion?
The major reasons for pollution is uh, industries who smoke very
Industries which emit pollution.
pollution. Then second one is vehicles. Then people also are responsible there for pollution because people also they don't take care of it. They throw rubbish everywhere, and they don't uh,
They are not aware of
they are not aware of
land.
for our biosphere.
Soil.
So
Okay. So what steps should government take to really stop pollutions from the factories?
uh, government for factories one.
For factories or industries.
First, government authorities should limit the emissions which factories
Are causing.
are causing, then they have to take some taxes from industries if they thrown rubbish in water and in soil. So I think these two steps are enough.
બધું જ કહેવું જરૂરી નથી. You only need to say one or two things. Okay. When I ask you something about, yes, government should limit the emissions from industry. Okay, you can say like this. Okay, government should limit the emissions from factories and industries and tax them, and also suggest them to do proper waste processing, not dumping in the lakes or all this. So tell me, what can individuals do to protect our environment?
We can do many things. Individuals, we try to be greener individually. Then we have to throw our rubbish in a particular organization's area. Don't throw it whenever we want. So I think these two steps are enough to be
Greener.
yes.
You can say, do you think that no, which is the main, do you think that air pollution is creating health issues in people?
Yes, definitely. Air pollution
Is causing effects.
sorry, the question repeat karan khali.
Do you think air pollution is causing health effects?
Yes.
Limiting the health.
Yes, of course. Air pollution causing many health issues like some skin problems, heart problems. Some people are suffering many tension.
Lung disease.
Yes.
Okay. Lung. Okay, you can say, if you know the name of the disease, it is good. Okay. You can say people breathe contaminated air. Understood? People
Yes,
breathe contaminated, tainted air and get lung diseases. Okay. And being in polluted air causes skin disease. Understood? Being
yes.
in a polluted air causes skin disease. So these are some effects. Okay, nice, Reena. Good.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next.
Shall I start, sir? Komal.
Start.
Pollution is a burning issue today in the world. There is hardly a place which is absolutely pollution free. Here I am going to talk about a Surat city. In the city, there are many places which I visited and that has been really affected by pollution. I went there last month. It has all sorts of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. There are various reasons why this city is polluted. Due to modernize more and more vehicles such as a car and motorbike and rickshaws are used. This leads to an increase in exhaust emission which contaminate the atmosphere and creates noise pollution and air pollution. Factories and industries zone in the city. Surat produce the 50% material of the clothes all over the world. So therefore industries are very vast. So they have discharged a huge amount of untreated waste into rivers, causing death to many fish and other aquatic animals. Pollution makes people here less healthy and more even suffer from life threat life threatening diseases such as the lung cancer, skin cancer, and so on. But the municipal corporations were outstanding. They try to solve this kind of pollution. In the city, they protect the trees and also they do new plantation project because the aim is make a green city. So this kind of action decrease the air pollution and encouraging people to use a public transport besides those who litter should play a heavy fan. Also educate people, protect the environment. through the hanging safe environment related banners. So this is a place where I visited and it's affect the pollution.
Okay, nice comment. Tell me, have you what are the effects of pollution on animals?
What are the pollution?
What are the effects of pollution on animals?
On animals, firstly, sir, air pollution affects on animals because when air is not air is not proper
Tainted.
balance
It is more tainted.
so they have not take the proper air. So many diseases are increasing. Then also water pollution affects on animals because the water pollution are
When
water pollution.
I'll say this for you. When the when air is tainted, it affects the water cycle. Understood? Where
Okay, sir.
when the air is tainted, it directly affects the water cycle. And many animals drink water from water bodies and they get the disease. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what can we do to stop pollution?
We can do stop pollution. There are first of all using more bicycles bicycles for make a eco-friendly. Also separates the dry and wet people to uh, separate people to separate the dry and wet waste garbage in the different dustbin. Also, the government recycle their garbage. So that is a second tips to we control the pollution. Uh,
Okay, yes, that is good.
these are two enough for to control the pollution.
Okay. And what role government can play in reducing pollution?
Government government play a role. Firstly, they educate the people to avoid the environment. Also, they some broadcast, some advertising say plant a more tree on plantation a more tree. Also, second things there are separate the waste, separate the garbage. Also, they facilitate the dustbin on the road outside to put and the garbage in that dustbin.
Okay. Yes, you can say all these things. Uh, so, which kind of pollution is more visible in your country?
In my country, mostly all pollution are visible. Firstly, air pollution and noise pollution are created for traffic congestion, for more usable of vehicles.
More,
So this
more use of.
more use of vehicles to create the air and noise pollution. Also, water pollution create factories and industries to pollute the water pollution for emission and soil pollution create a people throw the rubbish on the every place. Also, farmer use the many chemical related
Fertilizers, chemical farmers are using, uh, okay, fertilizers which is called
chemical use the fertilizer. So also capacity capacity of
no, not natural fertilizers, you can say. But the simple question would, if you want to answer it very simply, just say 2 3 things and say one support line. Okay, do not explain everything, it would be more lengthy.
okay, sir.
You already answered in the first 2 lines and that was more than enough. Okay, you will get more marks if the examiner is asking you more questions. Means you are
Okay, sir.
so if you don't get that kind of fear or that if the examiner asks me more questions, means you can talk on various subjects. You can do a healthy discussion, or you have ideas and opinions on every different topic. So make your answers like you follow all the guidelines, that you give coherence everywhere. Okay. So tell me, do you like noise pollution, or where do you find noise pollution?
I not like to noise pollution. Second source हो तो where do you find?
Where do you find more noise pollution? क्या अगर noise pollution बता दो?
Yeah. In the street market, there are lots of noise pollution create because in which place more people are
There are more number of people on the
people and street
street
area.
traffic jams. Look, in the traffic jams, in and bus ports and railway stations, and in industrial areas, due to
Okay.
noise pollution. Even in ceremonies, wedding ceremonies today, people make a lot of unwanted noise. You can see. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Nice. Yes. Next.
Yes, sir. Can I start?
Yeah. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
Pollution is become a biggest problem for humanity, and it's bring out through a metro city and some manufacture hub. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I visited Ahmedabad to attend my cousin wedding. Last year, I visited Ahmedabad with my family for a family marriage. So we planned to reach Ahmedabad second day before a marriage function. After reaching there, I found a major difference in the air quality. I am from a Visnagar, so the air quality of my city is a much better than Ahmedabad. I felt my lungs were shocking with smoke. My parents were in the 15s, so they also felt uncomfortability in breathing, and the climate was very harm. When we reached our booked hotel, then we felt comfort after washed my face. On the wedding day, when we come out of the hotel, the same thing happened with us. It was hard and felt irritation in my eyes. So I wore my sunglasses. Somehow we tried to attend the function. The local guests, the local guests were facing less problem than us, as they were habitual of the environment. After the function, I reached at the hotel. I took a shower. When I asked my cousin about the condition, then he told me that the main causes was vehicle pollution, industrial and construction sites pollution. Rates are arrived at a very high level, where such rich people use pure oxygen, which provide pure oxygen to customer for 30 rupees for 15 to 20 minutes. But I was surprised after hearing that people are paying money to get a pure oxygen. I think my city is much better than such ultra modernized cities.
Nice. Very good. Akshay, which pollution is visible in your country?
Yes, sir. Uh, uh, there are many different type of pollution uh, which are visible in my country, like air pollution, water pollution, and earth soil pollution, and some noise pollution. And it's visible, and it's a bring out through many manufacture hub, uh, metro city, and some others.
Okay. So what can individuals do to protect environment?
Yes, I think, sir, government should uh, uh, promote to public transport.
Individuals. What can
Yes, sir. So people should be use public transport rather than private cars, and people should more use
recycle products?
uh, triple R formula,
Oh, yes.
and
Recycle.
recycle, reduce, and reuse.
Okay, that is also good. Okay. So tell me, what can government do to reduce pollution?
Yes, sir. Government should do a promote a people to use a public transport, and a government make a better public transport, like
Government should provide better public transport.
like some metro city provide uh, government should promote cabs like Ola and Uber. So people should more use this cab rather than a
Okay,
private car.
don't say Ola and Uber. Don't name them. You can just say they can like shared
Cabs
car can be promoted more. Okay, car pulling service. You can also there is a vocabulary car pulling.
service. Okay.
Okay, shared cars. Government should introduce. Government should like aware people more about using public transport by giving excellent services, and awareness can really spread, make people more conscious about pollution. Okay,
And infrastructure बोलू शकाय sir?
that is you can also say that. Definitely.
Okay.
Okay then. Good, nice. See you tomorrow, guys.
See you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Sir, ક્લાસીસમાં કઈ ડેટ છે ઓપન થવાની આપણે ફિઝિકલ?
જો હું તને મેસેજ કરીને જ કહીશ. હા ને?
ઓકે ઓકે